it's rose and blue here with the gravity clamp, which is that red thing connected to the table. It's supposed to be connected to like surfaces. So you can do this. Drop him.
Drop him fully?
Yeah, just... See? And now...
Woo! We're gonna move him out the way. He's alive. Next up is the Viper. We didn't make a video of him.
Okay. And then now we're gonna... Oops. So with them coming at us... Ah! That was scary. Sheesh! I'm pretty sure there's people. So we're gonna start. Ah! Okay. Slow motion now. We're gonna go down and track ourselves. Let's do that again. Oh no! Ah!
Oh no!
S'mores. This is amazing track. Blue rates it
5.
Yep. And if you want to have even more fun, you can add these guys.
We got their extra tracks.
We got these at Toysrus.
Die.
Both the gravity clamp and the two long ones. The long ones aren't packaged. They just come without a box. You can just pick them up. And they're pretty cheap. They're like $1.19. So go to your local Toysrus store. You can probably get this for like $1.19. So we'll probably continue to get more Hot Wheels. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
All the damage.
This is the aftermath of what he done. Shame.